In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in a Zoom meeting using your mobile device. Whether you're joining a professional meeting or a casual chat and need to adjust your display name on the fly, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, you'll want to join the Zoom meeting. If you haven't already, download the Zoom app from your device's app store, install it, and then open the app. Once inside, join your meeting as usual. You may need a meeting ID and password or a direct link to get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help prevent any disruptions while making these changes. Once you're in the meeting, locate the participants icon on your screen. This button usually appears at the bottom of the interface, represented by a little icon of two people. Tapping it will open up a new screen that displays the list of everyone else currently in the meeting with you. With the participants panel open, scroll through the list until you find your own name. It will typically be at the top of the list or marked in some way to make it easy for you to spot. Tap on your name to reveal a few more options related to your profile. Among the options presented will be a button labeled Rename. Go ahead and tap this button. It will allow you to edit the name that appears for your profile in the meeting. At this point, your keyboard should automatically appear to allow you to type in your new display name. Type in the name you like to use. Make sure it appropriately represents you for the context of your meeting. This could be as simple as updating an initials-only version to your full name, or maybe adding a professional title if needed. Once you've entered the desired name, look for an OK button to confirm the change. Tapping OK will save your new name, and it should immediately reflect in the participants list and be visible to everyone else in the meeting. And there you have it. Your display name is now changed for this particular meeting. Remember, this change is only temporary and will reset your default Zoom name once you quit the current session. For permanent changes, you would need to update your profile outside this specific meeting. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made navigating the Zoom app a little bit easier for you. Let me know if this process was seamless, and feel free to check out more of our content for other helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Zooming.